Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to my channel, then let me introduce myself to you guys. I'm Samiksha Juneja. I do create videos on fashion, beauty and food. Basically, I'm a lifestyle YouTuber, in other words if I may say so. So in today's video, I'm going to try to replicate this look by Kajal Agarwal, and I am really the moment I saw it, I felt like very, fresh day look and very energetic, very kind of positive vibes for a day. If in case you guys are wondering that why am I wearing this yellow colored sweatshirt, then the reason is that it is still ongoing the transition weather, and it's not fully hot and it's not extremely cold, so it's kind of transitioning. So yeah, here I am. I couldn't go ahead with wearing that crop top or any other kind of tank top. So yeah, that's the reason I'm wearing this sweatshirt. Without any further ado, let's just begin with this tutorial. So I'm going to use this Bobbi Brown shadow stick. I am in love with it. The reason is simple. Why I love this foundation is that because of its easy application, I can do and it blends very easily and it's very quick and it's all done. The application is done. Now I'll quickly go ahead and blend it out. I'm going to use this beauty blender to blend it all in. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead with concealing my eyes using this LA Girl Pro. Now I'm going to use the same beauty blender and I'm going to blend. I'm going to just brighten up my under eye area by using this concealer by L'Oreal. It's their infallible full wear range, more than a concealer. It's in the shade beige, I guess. I've applied the concealer to all the areas which I want to highlight or pop up, because now I'm going to do contouring as well, which will help to create an amazing effect of the the areas which I want to highlight and the areas which I want the shadow to cast. So let me just do it and then you will see it all. I'm going to apply this contour stick by K Beauty in the shade beige focus. So yes guys, this is how my face looks with all the products applied on. Now I'll just quickly go ahead and blend it out. Done with all the blending of the contouring and concealing on my face. Now I'm going to use this banana powder by K Beauty and I'm quickly going to set my face in with this. Now I'm going to quickly do my brows by using this brow pencil by e.l.f. Cosmetics. It is quite cheap and affordable. That's why I ended up buying this. It's in the shade I don't know which shade is. Deep brown. Yeah, the shade is deep brown, and I'm finally done with my brows as well. I'm going to quickly move ahead with my eyes. I'm going to use this K Beauty eyeshadow stick in the shade Blushed Moonlight. I'm going to apply it all over my lid area and then I'm going to blend it in. I'm going to use this brush and blend it all. I'm going to lighten it up by using this shade from this Huda Beauty palette. I'm going to use the same brush and the same eyeshadow is all over it, and I'm going to apply it to my lower lash line. When I'm applying it to my lower lash line, I like to be very light-handed. So I'm going to use this brush and I'll take that metallic shade on the tip of this brush and I'm going to apply it towards the inner corner of my eyes. For my lower lash line, I'm going to use this nude pencil by Red Makeup Revolution, and that's done. As I can see, there is no kind of black kajal being used in the lower waterline, and still the eyes are kind of popped up. So what I can see from the picture, or what I interpret from the picture, she has gone for any kind of nude eyeliner in the lower waterline. So that's what I've used. Now I'm going to use this Kajal by Faces Canada. Now I'm going to apply it to my upper line. So I'm satisfied with my eyes right now, how it looks. I've smudged out my kajal. Now I am going to use the mascara. Now I'm going to finish the eye look with this mascara. It's by I'm using this mascara by Too Faced Damn Girl range, and I really love their mascara. Like, the mascara from Too Faced is something I really love. See, can you see the difference? I hope you guys can see, because I can clearly see that. So that's a huge difference I can see. Once you do your lashes, girl, you're good to go. I believe, like, doing your lashes, it instantly lifts up your eyes. It immediately, draws that kind of attention to your eyes. At least to me, it does. I'm satisfied with how my eye looks right now, and now I'm going to remove. And now I'm going to use this shade by Maybelline. It's the shade Flaming Fuchsia, and I'm going to use this lip liner or lip filler. Sorry, it's a lip filler brush, but I'm going to use it to line or outline my lips. I'm done with my lips, guys. Yes, this is how my lips look. I've added the lip gloss over the lip color because it was kind of like a matte. Not exactly matte, it was a little bit creamy shade as well, but it wasn't giving me that glossy effect which Kajal Agarwal has in this look. So to achieve that, I did added a gloss over my lipstick. Yeah, now I'll quickly change and see you guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. So this is the final look, guys, which I came up with, and that's how I look. I changed into my crop top, and yeah, that's how I look right now. I really hope you enjoyed this video. That was it. If you like this video, please hit like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit that notification bell icon. I know, guys, we are not growing at a pace which I really want, so I really need your support and help, guys. Please, let's grow this community together. Let's grow together, and I'm really looking forward if you could just help me by subscribing to my channel, by hitting like, and do not forget to share it with all the people you love. And even if you don't love, then start showing some love by sharing all these kind of content from which you are benefiting out of. I really want each and every one of you to learn or have some kind of takeaway from my videos. If you have that, please comment it down below. What is your takeaway from this video? I really love to share what I do, what I feel like, and my thoughts on my Instagram as well. So you can check out my Instagram page as well. I create videos and stuff over there as well, which you might like it. Do not forget to follow me over there as well. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, toodles.